Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna start this video and just show you some stuff that you need. It's not gonna be finished. I'll post pictures of the finished product after. So I want to get some bookends. Everywhere that I saw these bookends that I wanted that were gold, they were super expensive and like 38 to like $50 or $60 for some gold matching bookends. So I went to the Dollar Tree, bought 2 frames, glued them together with some Dollar Tree glue, which is like supposed to be like that D6000 or E6000 or C6, whatever that stupid adhesive is. So then I bought some frogs. I bought smaller frames and glued those together, but they are still drying. Do not mind my mess because I am a very messy crafter. No, I did not use newspaper because that's what I had, and if I use newspaper, then literally the newspaper would be stuck to everything, including the frames and stuff. So this is the bigger one, and I've got 2 smaller ones. See, these are the smaller ones, but they're stuck to the table right now. So then I got the pineapples for the smaller ones because they're gonna kind of look like crap. It's not gonna work, but I'm gonna try. See, this is what it's gonna look like. And then, of course, I'm gonna spray paint it all gold. I'm gonna glue that on and spray paint it all gold. I just don't want to do that yet because it is still drying. So I took, the back piece is actually black. I took the flap that was screwed on there, ripped it off. I took this and placed it inside out into the actual thing so that it's flush. Like this. See? So I'm going to glue these suckers on here once it dries. And then I'm going to paint it gold. All of it's going to be gold. That's cute like that if you wanted to just paint this gold. One solid color. It could be gold. It could be white. It could be green. It could be black. Whatever floats your boat. Whatever's your color coordination. My home office is all black, white, and gold. That's why I decided to do the gold. So I thought when I saw these, oh my God, these are so cute. If I were to take these and put these this way, it'll look like they're giving the book a kiss. Oh, mwah, yeah. So, yeah, it doesn't look cute when it's all the way up there. Like, it just looks disproportionate. Unless I used a smaller frames. Then maybe, then it would kind of look like that. Which might be okay. It still kind of looks disproportionate. So I'm just going to face it this way. And so the cute thing about it is there's 2 of them, 2 of each one of these because I'm making the matching set. And then I bought an extra frog that looks like he's thinking. And since it's an office with a library, I'm going to paint him gold and he's going to be off to one of the sides thinking. I bought the pineapples because I bought a really big gold pineapple. I'm going to show you right now. And I'm going to show you something I do with my bookshelves. This is my rose gold kitchen. Yes, I still got some stuff to do in here. Oh, don't look at my... Turn the light on. Don't mind my son in here. This is going to be gone. I'm going to have a black couch here. This is extra fabric for my bookshelves, which I'm going to make pillows to put on the black couch. This is my desk area, which is still under construction. I still got to get a black and white mouse pad. I had a lot more stuff here, but I took some of it. Don't mind the nerd. I took some of it and I put it on my bookshelves. I had most of these gold things. The and the at sign and the yay were all on my desk, and my frames were on my desk. But I decided to put them here because these look kind of plain. So these are $27. Oh, look at my pineapple, you see? These are $27 bookshelves. Okay? $27. I went and bought fabric for another 24 bucks. And the particle board that goes behind the backing of the bookshelves, I just hot glued and stapled the fabric onto that, and I put it on there. So I'm going to get crown molding and put it up here. And this is going to look like a really high-end, super expensive, Bookie, why'd you do that? Super expensive, high-end bookshelves. Because, you know, the ones that those uppity rich people, nothing against uppity rich people if you're watching, but I just am not going to spend $300-400. I want to get some real nice custom bookshelves. They were going to be anywhere between $300 to $600, depending on like how nice you wanted it and stuff. And you can customize $27 bookshelves with maybe another 40 bucks. And that's 2 bookshelves. I paid $60 with tax and delivery at Walmart. Paid $25 for this fabric. That's me and my boo. This is going to go up. My boo bought this for Christmas for me. He did so good this year. He bought me this for Christmas. He bought me this for Mother's Day last year. I bought myself this at Walmart. I mean, all these. It's that and the stapler. I bought this at Walgreens. It's a little pen. These were at Walmart for like $7. I spent $20 on this corkboard from Ross. Anyways, Dollar Tree, and sign, the little golden white mushrooms, the little ABC block, the mushrooms, Dollar Tree, the @ Dollar Tree, the yay sign, Dollar Tree. I spent $10 on that pineapple because I had to have it because I thought it looked so chic. Once I buy the crown molding and put it over the top, right there, have my boo thing nail them, it's gonna look so high end. They're gonna look like $600 or $700 frame bookshelves, and I literally spent. I'm gonna be spending less than $100 for both, and those should be about $200-300 bucks each. Then over here, I'm gonna have some cool stuff too. But anyways. Bookshelves, the bookends are going to be for here. I'm going to put them here. It's going to look too cute. Do not put that there. It doesn't fit. It's going to go right here. But not now. Once I get the sofa, I'm going to have Javi put it up there. These are mine. You can your bum on your mom. I can't show you the other picture because I'm not allowed to post pictures of one of my grandbabies. Because her mom doesn't like that. So I will respect that. Anyways. That's it for now. I'll show you the end product when I'm done. Yes, I am all about the home decor, and I'm all about decorating on a dime. As you can see, I love, love, love.